Alright, so we are back to Simply Hired, and you're so curious, you want to know what are the jobs that are so much in demand right now on Simply Hired. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the most jobs that are on high demand at the very moment on Simply Hired. So stick around till the end of the video. So now we are here at our simplyhired.com and I'm logged into my account. So to find a high demand job, you're going to come here to the search, and then you're going to search for high demand, and then you can you can either add your city or state or remote. Let me just click remote for this example, and then I'll click on search jobs. It's going to show you the jobs that are on high demand right now. For example, you can see English language teacher, customer support, 4 days ago, 12 hours ago, 11 days ago, 14 days ago. So this is basically for remote jobs. Math tutor. So if you're interested in this job, you just simply click on it, read that description. If you qualify for it, you don't have to check every box of the qualification. So if you find that 60% of the qualifications you have them, just apply for them. Even if 50% is totally fine. So now let's go back to high demand and then just remove the remote, and then we click on search jobs. So you can see the results here is 4,200 in high demand jobs. So when I click on this item, you can see that displayed here are job ads that match your query. Simply Hired may be compensated by these employers, helping keep Simply Hired free for job seekers. So it's based on employee bids and relevance, such as your search terms and other activity on Simply Hired. Now you can click on date to filter. This is the date the job has been posted. So you can see 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago, piano instructor, 5 hours ago. And then you can go ahead again and filter by distance. For example, if it is a physical job that you have to go to, you can say maybe like 15 miles near me, and you can see we have here jobs that are near you. Or you can choose job type, full-time or part-time or temporary. So when I do part-time, it will filter for me. You can see piano instructor. If you know you can teach piano, make sure you apply for this job. And if you're in this area, so you can basically just filter depending on what you want, then to find what you exactly want. So thank you for watching. This is how to find high demand jobs.